and swim to the heart of the northeast side of town. And when they finally found their way through decay to the south side, they were caught in the teeth of rebellion, hate and need. But the need turned to greed and the hate, it turned to anger. And the blue and the brown eyes turned to burning flames.
Yo, London's still burning, and nothing's changed since the riots. People ignore the real sparks, creating the fires. And I ain't praising the liars, out chasing desires instead of pursuing dreams. But I ain't blaming them either, because nothing's the way it seems. They've been living crime movies in private, then decided go public and make a scene. Cause they plug products like drugs every day on our screens, then judge and turn their noses up when we change into fiends. It's fucked. But imagine going to school and there's shit there. Don't wanna go home for some love cause it doesn't live there. You couldn't win there, so wouldn't think fair on the road to insanity cause they're driven so quick there. And it's only madmen that wage these wars, pushing killers to pulling triggers with crazy thoughts. You wanna protest but you ran up in JD Sports. You burned the wrong buildings down trying to change these laws, just think.
If they sold you gold, would you take ashes? And taste tobacco, smoke through pipes of peace. If the lonely souls of the old and aging fascists change and gave back those years of defeat on your streets, yeah. Only madmen hold a gun. Only madmen hold a gun. Only madmen hold a gun.
It's hard being young. I was 15 when I first saw a gun. Someone put one to my face, then my heart darkened with my lungs. Paranoia, father, the son, it was done. Lost my faith in humanity. Working in a field filled with bad apple trees. Don't tit for tat at me with tales of your apathy. Will it be your judgment on my machete that's backing me? This herd mentality is rife, we need to let go. The same way you panic buy for petrol, the same way some might stab a guy from some next road. But this ain't Hollywood, every corner's got a Tesco. Shouting ride or die, letting the tech blow. But when you die was a life worth the debt, hell knows. It's like there's two roads a young man can take. One with fear, one with hate for real.
If they sold you gold, would you take ashes? And taste tobacco, smoke through pipes of peace. If the lonely souls of the old and aging fascists change and gave back those years of defeat on your streets, on your streets, yeah.
Hyvien iltasessareiden jälkeen maistuu sauna.
Kerpusviikattu, missä me ollaan? Ollaan Nallikarissa.